Today, I am answering the question, how long does it actually take to homeschool your kids? Hi, I'm Erin, a 7-year homeschooling mom of 4 kids, and I'm starting a brand new series here on my channel called Quick Tip Tuesday, where I answer your frequently asked questions about homeschooling or just drop you some tips that I've learned along my way. Today's Quick Tip Tuesday topic is, how long does it take to actually homeschool your kids? Now, you may be surprised that the amount of time that it takes for homeschooling is significantly less than the amount of time kids spend in public school for a variety of reasons that I don't have time to talk about in this quick little video. The first thing to keep in mind, though, is that everyone is different, and there are a couple of things that will determine the specific amount of time for your family. The first thing is your state requirements. So every state is different, and you need to make sure that you find out what your state requires. You can look up the homeschool laws for your state at www.hslda.org. I'll put a link for you in the description below for that. The second thing is your children's ages. And this is what you came here for. But here are some generalizations for the amount of time that it should take for different age groups. For pre-K to kindergarten, you're only going to spend probably 30 minutes to an hour. For 1st through 3rd grade, it's going to be more like 1 to 2 hours. For grades 4 through 6, you're looking at 3 to 4 hours. Grades 7 through 9 is probably going to be 4 to 5 hours. For high school, you're going to need a little bit more, probably around the range of 5 to 6 hours, or a little bit more depending on credit hour requirements for graduation or college applications. So check into that before you start homeschooling high school. Now keep in mind that this is the total amount of time that it should take to get all your core schoolwork done. You may have extracurriculars that you add on as well, and it really works best to break up your schoolwork into multiple time blocks throughout the day with lots of breaks for your kids. And for you. If you're interested in how time blocking works for homeschool, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm working on a video coming up soon about how we time block our day to get everything done and still include a little bit of peace and joy and pleasure in it. If you have a question or a topic that you'd like to see me cover in a future Quick Tip Tuesday, drop that in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.